guys, it's Phae and this is Day with Phae. Today I am going to be comparing the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask versus the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. So let me tell you a little bit about my skin. My skin is more dry than oily, but it is combination in some areas. So typically I will try masks that are for like dry skin, and my skin is like, just soaks it up very quickly. And I also am sometimes prone to breakouts, but I've managed my whole entire skin routine so that it's very rare when I break out nowadays, whereas back in the day it was like almost an everyday occurrence. So if you want to see that video, it's going to be linked down in the bio below. Just throwing that out there. Now I really love the aesthetic of Glow Recipe. I think it's very cute. It very much plays to like what millennials love in a product. It's very minimalistic. When I first saw the watermelon sleeping mask, my hands were all over that. I made sure I was one of the first people to try it. And once I found out that Glow Recipe had another sleeping mask, I had to try it and I had to compare it. The first thing that I started with was the avocado mask. First impressions were that it felt really, really thick. After a couple of minutes of waiting for it to absorb into my skin, it started tingling a lot on my skin, which was really uncomfortable, and it just did not feel good. I know some people look for tingly feelings, but I'm on the belief that if it feels tingly, it's probably over drying your skin, and that's not necessarily good. I was like, it's okay, I'm just gonna sleep it off, see what happens. It definitely didn't go on my skin, which like I said, typically happens with a lot of sleep masks for me. It was there, it like absorbed overnight, so it was actually like a sleep mask. But I will say the next day, my skin was so texturized. It felt like I needed an extreme exfoliation. I was not a fan of this product whatsoever. And I just wanna say a huge asterisk that your mileage may vary because my skin is not your skin, vice versa. After that huge texturized feeling on my face, really needing to like exfoliate ASAP, I was like, I need to return this as soon as possible. So that's what I did. The next day I returned this product because I was so disappointed with it. It just did not work well for me. So now we're gonna talk about the watermelon sleep mask. Now this is what Glow Recipe is known for. It's like their cult classic. It's what they started out with and what led their company to expand to what it is today. So our first impressions of trying the watermelon mask is that it smells really good, but I will say that it feels really, really nice on skin. It's thin, so unlike the avocado melt mask, which is super thick, but because it's thin, I felt like my skin just like drank it all up super quickly. Like it was like absorbed into my skin within minutes. It definitely didn't really feel like a sleep mask, and I really tried to like pack it on, but I just guess my skin was super thirsty that day, and that's just what it is when you have dry skin. But it felt lightweight, and the next day that I woke up, I did feel good. Now, I'm not gonna say that you have to get this product, it is life-changing, holy grail. No, it's not a holy grail, it's not life-changing for me. It's just kind of like that nice step of like self-care ritual. It feels nice for sure, and definitely my skin felt more supple and bouncy the next day. I would say you don't need this product in your routine to like enhance everything, but it is a nice little addition to just kind of pamper yourself. And if I had to choose again between the avocado mask and the strawberry mask, I'm sure it's no surprise to you, I'm gonna choose the strawberry mask 100%, hands down. So that concludes my comparison on Glow Recipe Sleep Mask. I hope it was super informational for you guys, and if it was, give me a thumbs up. Have you guys also had similar experience? Because if so, or if not, comment down below. I'd love to know, and I'm sure like everybody out who wants to be like an informed buyer wants to know too, so let's just spread the wealth of knowledge. I would also love for you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You just gotta click my little face here, or you could watch these other skincare videos that I did that are pretty informational and helpful. I hope you guys have a really good rest of your day. Bye.